Greetings to you, dear learners. This is Geno Cinthia, Assistant Professor, Department of B.Voc Software Development and System Administration, St. Joseph's College, Tiruchirappalli. In this lecture, we are going to learn the concept of variables and methods in Java programming. Now, let's get started. What is a variable? A variable is a name given to a memory location that stores a value. It acts as a container for data used in a program. Let us have one example. The computer has a memory. Each memory is made up of many small memory cells. These are the small memory cells. Each memory cell has a unique address. Okay, 1000, 1002, 1004, 1006, 1008. Or random values that has been already stored in the all these memory cells 2, 4, 3, 2. I wanted to store a value called 2 again. Okay, I wanted to store a value called 2 again. It will check for the empty memory cell. Okay, so the 2 value is stored here. This leads to an important question. If there are multiple 2's in memory, how does the computer know which one to use? Here is the answer. The computer doesn't track the value directly, it tracks the address where it is stored. To avoid all these confusions, I am just naming this memory location as A. For this location as B. Okay, so the value that is present inside this memory address is 2. The value that is present inside this memory address 2. So it will be differentiated with the help of the name A and B. Int age is equal to 25. How to declare a variable in Java? The syntax is data type variable name is equal to value. The data type can be integer. Variable name can be of anything. I am just declaring it as A. Value is equal to 2. This is how where we need to declare a variable in Java. Rules for declaring variables. The first rule is it must begin with a letter, underscore or dollar sign. This is possible. This is possible. This is possible. The first rule is satisfied. Second one is cannot start with a digit. This is not possible. Third one is no space or special characters like at, percentage and ampersand symbol are not used. Let us have method age. It is not possible. There is a space, no? It is not possible. Fourth one is Java is case sensitive. Fifth one is keywords like int, class, static cannot be used as a variable name. A variable name cannot be a class. A variable name cannot be int. Variable name cannot be static. All these are not possible declaring variables in Java. Now let us see what is method. A method is a block of code that performs a specific task. It helps you reuse code, write once, use many times. Method makes your program organized, modular, easy to debug. Let us have this as method name display. Okay, the method name should have a return type void display. This is the block of code. Here I'm just going to display something. Okay, here I'm going to display something system.out.println Geno. This is my name. It is going to be displayed. So what is method? Method is a block of code. It performs a specific task. Why we need to use methods? To avoid repeating code, to divide a larger program into smaller managerial parts. Third one is to improve readability and maintenance. How to declare a method? Return type, method name. Return type can be of void. Method name can be of display. It can be of anything. It can be of display. It can be of print. It can be of anything. So these are all the block of code will be executed in this. Let us have one example. Void greet system.out.println hello, welcome to Java. This is how you need to declare a method. So here there are 3 types of variables in Java. One is local variable, second one is instance variable, third one is static variable. Now let us learn one by one. Local variable declared inside a method, constructor or a block. Let us have one small program, class A. What is instance variable? It should be declared inside a method. Void display. So here only the variable should be declared. Int A is equal to 10. I hope it is very clear. It should be, what is local variable? It should be inside within this method or a constructor or a block. Next one is next one is instance variable. What is instance variable? It is declared inside a class but outside methods. Class A, it is declared inside a class int A but outside methods. I hope these two examples will give you a clear examples of local and instance variable. Local variable, it should be declared inside a method. Okay. Instance variable, it should be declared inside a class but outside a method. What is static? Declared with a static keyword across all objects. Class A, static int A. We'll see what is static variable and static methods in the upcoming lectures. So as of now, I hope local variable and instance variables are clear for you. Let us have one example for declaring variables and methods. Here I have given a class name called testing. I just wanted to declare age called 25. What's the syntax for declaring variable? Data type variable name is equal to 25. This is the syntax. So I have declared a variable and initialized a value for variable. Display void display system.out.println age. So I have opened this method. I'm closing this method. Open this class. I'm just closing the class. Now I am creating a main class, public class age, public static void main string args. Now I am creating object for this class. Testing t is equal to new testing. What's the syntax for declaring an object? Class name, object name is equal to new class name. What's the class name we have declared here? Testing. Object name t, it can be of anything, is equal to new class name is testing. This is what I have typed here. So I wanted to call this method. Okay, I wanted to call this method with the help of an object t dot display. If I wanted to access a method with the help of the object, I wanted to use an object dot display. So let's have a demo. I'm creating a file called demo.java. Class ABC. Int age is equal to 25. I am declaring a method called void display. System dot out dot println age. I'm just closing the class. I'm creating a main class, public class demo. Public main method I'm creating public static void main string args. I wanted to create an object for this class. So ABC obj is equal to new ABC. I am just accessing with obi dot display. So now I am going to run the program. I'm just choosing terminal, new terminal. The first step is I need to compile the program javac demo.java. I don't find any errors. So I am running the program java demo. So now we have got the answer as 25. I hope the concept of variables and methods are very clear to you. In this program, I have declared one variable and one method. We can have n number of variables and n number of methods. With the help of an object where we are able to access the methods and the variables. So thank you. We'll see in the next lecture. Thank you.